Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure your keyboard is attached and fast startup is disabled in Windows so the firmware will accept keystrokes. Once you restart, press the vendor key, often F2, Del, ESC, or F10, repeatedly as the machine boots. Timing is brief. If you miss it, restart again immediately. You do this because modern systems boot fast. Hitting the key early forces the BIOS/UEFI interface instead of Windows. Once in, look for Boot or Advanced menus. Once inside UEFI, navigate with arrow keys or mouse to the Advanced, Boot, or Security tab to find recovery options. You want the option that lets you boot to recovery or to a command shell. Some systems label this boot to recovery, Windows Boot Manager, or Tools. Make sure you do not change Secure Boot unless necessary. Toggling Legacy/CSM can break Windows boot. If you see a direct option to open a command prompt from the firmware recovery, you now reach the final step. From Recovery Tools, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. If you used Windows Install Media, click Repair Your Computer first, then follow Troubleshoot right arrow Advanced right arrow Command Prompt. This opens a full administrator-level shell where you can run DiskPart, SFC, BCD boot, or other repairs. If the option is missing, create USB recovery media on another PC and boot from it. Quick tip: if commands fail, check disk letter assignments before running repair commands.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.